On behalf of everyone at Mission Wealth, we hope that this really supports your mission. We only have 90 minutes. We need to get to work. So let's go ahead and get started and have fun out there working shoulder to shoulder with your great team. By the way, this is the largest group they've ever had here come volunteer, so we're making history. Let's earn it.
Go Team Green!
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jessica Neves. I'm the Chief People Officer at Mission Wealth, and we're really excited to be here today at UCP Seguin to give back to the local community here in Chicago. We have a lot of activities that our team is helping with today. We're making some cards to send to some children in the hospitals here. We've got some weeding and gardening projects outside, and overall helping with a community cleanup project. Giving back to the local communities is something that we do at every one of our annual retreats, and it's a really important way for our team to get hands-on experience with giving back to the local communities, and it goes back to our core value of caring. We want to care for not only our clients and our team members, but also the communities that we serve, and bring that forth in everything that we do.
Back 75 years ago, the individuals with who had developmental disabilities didn't have the right to go to school. Those schools evolved into organizations like UCP Seguin. We don't just serve people with cerebral palsy, we serve everybody. We don't turn anyone away. We do everything we can to serve everybody, whether it's autism, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, anybody, to make sure that everybody has a life without limits. On behalf of the 1,800 individuals that we serve, we just wanted to say thank you.
You guys rock! Thank you, thank you, thank you!